Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Friday. Now it remains clear, dry and quite warm over parts of eastern South Africa today, while in the west the next cold front moves through, keeping things quite cloudy once again and dropping the temperatures even further in some places, while along the south coast we're expecting it to become quite windy, particularly into later this evening. The South African Weather Service has issued two advisories for today. The first is for rough seas continuing between Table Bay and Plettenberg Bay, wave heights between 4 and 6 meters for that region. And the second advisory is for very cold conditions settling in over parts of the southwestern high ground of the country. A closer look at your rainfall probabilities now, where there's still up to an 80% chance of rain and showers for the Cape Peninsula, Cape Winelands area, as well as Cape Agulhas. Inland, as well as up the west coast, between a 40 and a 60% chance of rain is forecast, and just a very slight chance for some drizzle for Springbok in the Northern Cape. Your maximum temperatures for today, and here we see the lovely warm temperatures up in the northeast, 25 degrees for Mbombela, a pleasant 24 for Mahikeng as well as Polokwane. The central parts remain cool to mild, while over the southern high ground of the country it's going to be quite cool, lower teens and around 10 degrees for Sutherland. Cape Town cold as well at 16. Your coastal conditions now, where the cold front brings westerly flow for Lambert's Bay as well as Langebaan between 25 and 30 kilometers per hour. Swells averaging at 4 meters, but getting up to 4.5 meters over the southern parts of this area. As we head further south along the coastline, we're expecting somewhat stronger winds, especially around the Cape Agulhas area, up to 55 kilometers per hour. Gusty at first for the Cape Town region as well as Cape Point, but winds moderating later on, swell heights averaging at around 5 meters. And for the south coast, we're expecting westerly to northwesterly winds across the region between 30 and 40 kilometers per hour. Swell heights going to average at 5.5 meters today, getting up to about 6 meters this evening. And at the same time, near gale force winds are expected for both Jeffreys Bay as well as Port Elizabeth. And along the eastern coastline, on the other hand, it's going to be a sunny day with light winds as well as low swells. And this is going to allow for good beach conditions across the area.
News that moves. eNCA.com.